Do you ever need to crop a photo to a perfect ratio, maybe for Instagram, maybe for a profile picture, or maybe for an ID photo? In this video, I will show you how to do it on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, open Gallery app, and then choose the photo you want. Tap the edit icon at the bottom. Now we are in the transform section. Tap the ratio icon. Here you can choose the orientation first, portrait or landscape. After that, choose the ratio you need. For portrait, you can choose custom, wallpaper, 1:1, 3:4, and so on. For landscape orientation, you can choose custom, wallpaper, 1:1, 4:3, and so on. As the example, if you are preparing a photo for Instagram, Instagram often looks best with a 4:5 portrait ratio, so we pick portrait orientation, choose 4:5, adjust the frame if needed, and then save it. And that's it. Your photo is now ready to be uploaded to Instagram. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.